Hi, I'm Kirk Fitzsimmons with Solid State Marine Batteries here on our first 80-degree day here in Massachusetts, showing off our Lancer Craft Lux. This is a 22-foot boat that is meant for lakes and just for cruising. This has two of our 48-volt 210 batteries for cruising. This cuts top speed about 7 knots, lasts about 3 hours.
Hey everybody, Tom Califf, CEO of Solid State Marine. We're out here on a beautiful day in Falls Pond in North Attleboro, doing a sea trial on a 23-foot Lancer Craft Lux. Now, we worked directly with Roger and the team at Lancer Craft to take what is typically a boat powered by a 6.7 liter high output gas engine, and we replaced this particular one with a small yet powerful 40 kilowatt motor from Elco Motors. This boat came to us in late January, along with another boat that you'll all see out on the water here real soon. This particular boat gets about 3 to 3.5 hours at full speed of 7 knots. We also have kind of the creature comforts. We have a full stereo system and lights, just like you would any other boat. This boat is definitely set up for cruising. So as you can see, really nice interior, the bench seat. We have a full U section in the back that can easily hold 4 to 5 people. And then as we work our way back, beautiful faux teak setup, only done by Lancer Craft. This is a patented process that they have. It's not your standard faux teak that you would have painted on. In the back of the 23-foot Lux is this beautiful engine cover, kind of here to pull back the vision of the late 20s and 30s Chris Crafts and the other runabouts. So in here, on either side, we have 48-volt batteries, our 48-volt 10 kilowatt hour package in an 8D. 2 of those, motor in the middle, and then this wall is for the electronics and speed control. Well, you'll see when this is opened, how much room there is. We opened up about 2/3 of this for extra dry storage when you're going for the day, however it is. In a boat such as the 23-foot Lux, this is a great setup for an electric platform. For those that don't use it 3-4 days a week, you can come out. It's all charged up every time you go out. It's like going to the gas station every single day, but you come up, you unplug it from shore power, off to the races. The other thing is the maintenance is almost zero. Outside of charging the batteries, checking the fluid in the V-drive, that's about it. Just the user experience on this boat is extremely well thought through. Now, Solid State, we believe that we're the best package for this, for the batteries, for the power. If you were to compare what we have in here as our 2 10 kilowatt batteries, compare that to lead acid, we'd add about 2,200 pounds to this boat. So outside of the weight of that 2,200 pounds, we also, as it stands here, we get 3.5 hours of runtime at full throttle. If you were to do a comparable size battery, you'd be at about 15 minutes. So with Solid State Marine batteries in a platform such as this, it's just a great option if you're gonna take the boat, just cruise around for 3 or 4 hours and come back to the dock. At the end of the day, this is a fantastic boat. There's so many different options when you think electric propulsion, but in a boat that's set up to look like a runabout, perform like a runabout, what Lancer Craft did here, working with Solid State, it's a great setup.